Picture this, a plate overflowing with layers of pasta, oozing with melted cheese and brimming with rich tomato sauce. Yes, we're talking about the king of Italian cuisine, lasagna. But do you know why July 29th is celebrated as National Lasagna Day? Well, it's not just an arbitrary date, it's believed that the first recorded recipe for lasagna appeared in an English cookbook in the 14th century. Fast forward to the 20th century, a zealous group of lasagna lovers decided to dedicate a whole day to this scrumptious dish. And what better time than the height of summer when tomatoes are at their ripest? So, on July 29th, we pay homage to this mouth-watering marvel of culinary delight. Whether you're a fan of the traditional recipe or you prefer a vegetarian twist, there's a lasagna out there waiting for you. Remember, it's not just about indulging in a plate of lasagna, it's about celebrating the rich history and culture that brought this dish to our tables. So, mark your calendars, folks. July 29th is National Lasagna Day, a day to honor, relish, and of course, eat lasagna. Join the celebration and may your lasagna always be cheesy, saucy, and utterly delicious.